It is indeed a great pleasure to be here today at the historic Nelson Island. And it is here that the first step in history of India and Trinidad and Tobago was written 180 years ago. Coming here, it is only natural that our thoughts turn to how those courageous people must have faced the very difficult circumstances and built new lives. Today, we salute their fortitude, their determination, and their resolve. Let us pledge to carry forward the legacy of these ancestors with pride and determination. Let us continue to celebrate our shared heritage, to teach our children the stories of the past, and to contribute positively to the society we live in.
Mr. Jaishankar and I, we walked together through the ruins of this island. We stood before the old barracks where many of our indentured Indian ancestors stayed after they endured many months on the Kalapani, those very treacherous waters across which they were trafficked. We saw the quarantine buildings where the sick were treated and the weathered ruins of imperialism. We moved through these grounds. I could not help but feel overwhelmed by the human history embedded here in this island. For this island is not merely a heritage site, it is a memory and a testimony. This island's true identity was shaped by the thousands of Indian indentured laborers who first encountered Trinidad here. After leaving behind India, some of them would never see again. I believe the time has come for TNT to honor our indentured ancestors in a more permanent and meaningful way. So my government will begin consideration of the formal renaming of Nelson Island so that this sacred space may properly honor the Jahaji legacy. In closing, Sri Jaishankar, I sincerely thank you for your visit and the kindness and respect you have shown to the people of Trinidad and Tobago. May this island forever remind us that whilst colonialism once divided our ancestors through slavery, indentureship, and trafficking history, humanity and freedom have reunited the descendants.